Hello, and welcome back to another lesson on economic indicators with Economy Dog. Today I am joined by my students in the Economy Dog Junior Elite Economic Business and Finance Competition team. Do you have what it takes to be in this class? Keep tuning in to Economy Dog and you will get there. For this episode, the economic indicator question comes from one of my junior elite students.
Dear Professor Economy Doc, please explain to us this economic indicator called the ISM, Manufacturing Index.
Excellent question. The Institute for Supply Management, or ISM, is a long-established and well-respected non-governmental organization. That is an association of thousands of professionals involved in what is best described as our nation's economic supply chain, or what they call supply management. This association used to be called the National Association of Purchasing Agents, or Purchasing Management, which should give you a better idea of what they are all about. I like to say these are the folks who order, purchase, transport and, just overall, manage all the stuffy stuff needed to make all our stuff. Because that is what an economy is all about, isn't it? Stuffy stuff that makes and services all kinds of stuff. I love the ISM. I wish I could go to one of their conventions. Would they welcome Economy Dog? I promise to be good. I'm sure I would eat very well because I'm thinking these folks are capable of ordering and purchasing all kinds of delicious stuffy stuff. Anyway, one great thing the Institute for Supply Management does is release reports that provide a unique picture of how well the economy is doing. By kinda asking purchasing managers and supply management professionals what is happening and how they are doing, and if they are, purchasing stuff. They are perhaps best known for the ISM Manufacturing Index. How they produce this economic indicator is by surveying, or questioning, approximately 300 U.S. manufacturing and industrial operations. The 5 most important questions in the survey are those regarding new orders, output or production, employment numbers, supplier deliveries, and stocks or inventory supplies. When asked questions, the respondents are to refer to actual statistics but answer with basic responses of if things have improved, or if things have stayed the same, or if things have deteriorated. A compilation of how many positive responses were tallied compared to the number of how many unchanged responses, etc., is calculated. And a type of percentage, or index, is concluded. If the index reading is 50, then it sorta means manufacturing activity is the same or unchanged. A reading above 50 indicates an improvement. A reading below 50 indicates a decline. One of the great things about the ISM Manufacturing Index is it is released on the first business day of the month for the previous month. So it provides an early read of the latest monthly economic conditions. Also, this economic indicator is produced and sums up what purchasing managers and supply management experts think about the economy. These specialists are in the front lines, in the trenches so to speak, of economic activity. Their opinion matters. You should also keep an eye on a similar report released by the ISM on the service industry. This economic indicator on the service economy is released 2 days later on the 3rd business day of the month. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button for your favorite Economy Dog. If you have any questions on the economy or business and finance, please send an email or let me know in the comments section. And if you hit the subscribe button, I'll gladly wag my tail for you.